Hello and welcome to another lesson from learnigbonow.com. My name is Yvonne Choma Mbanefo and I'm going to be your teacher. Today we're going to learn some new words with our bite-sized two-sentence stories. Ndewo, nnọọ n'ihe mmụta ọzọ si learnigbonow.com. Aha m bụ Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, onye nkuzi gị ugbu a. Taa, anyị ga-eji obere akụkọ ahịrịokwu abụọ were mụta mkpụrụokwu ọhụụ. The story for today is Nkiru gara ọba akwụkwọ. Nkiru went to the library. The words we're going to learn today are ọba akwụkwọ, library, ule, exam, akwụkwọ, book. Now for the story. Nkiru gara ọba akwụkwọ. O nwere ule. Ike agwụla ya ịgụ akwụkwọ ya. As you can see, the story reads, Nkiru went to the library. She has an exam. She is tired of studying her book. Now we're going to take some sentences to further understand the story, or rather some questions to further understand the story. Ebee ka Nkiru gara? Nkiru gara ọba akwụkwọ. Nkiru o nwere ule? Ee, Nkiru nwere ule. Gịnị dị n'isi Nkiru? Otu akwụkwọ. We'll go through the story again and remember to repeat the sentences after me. That's the fastest way to learn Igbo. Now for the story again. Nkiru gara ọba akwụkwọ. O nwere ule. Ike agwụla ya ịgụ akwụkwọ ya. You can play the video and stop it over and over again until you master today's story. That's all for today. My name is Yvonne Mbanefo and this has been another one of my bite-sized Igbo lessons. Aha m bụ Yvonne Mbanefo, nke a bụ ọzọ n'ihe mmụta nkenke Asusu Igbo m na-ewetara gị. For more lessons, visit learnigbonow.com. Ka o mesịa, see you soon. Learnigbonow.com, getting you to speak and write Igbo fast.
Listen, I want you to know